So another way we can identify the slope of this specific or a specific graph is by using rise over run. Okay, rise over the run is basically the change in y over the change in x. Okay, so the rise is how high does this graph go? So if I was to draw a line from this point over and then upward, how many units did that point from here to here rise? Well, here's my y-axis up and down. It jumped up 2 units. So my rise would be 2. And then the run would be how many units did it take to get to left side to the right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then we can reduce 2 over 10 because we know 2 goes into 2 evenly and 2 goes into 10 evenly. So once here and down below it goes 5 times into 10. So my slope, my slope for this first one would be 1 over 5. Okay, for the second one, same thing. I would look at this graph. We're going to use rise over run to find our slope. Think about when you run from left to right, right to left, right? You don't go up and down, you run left to right. So if I was to start here at the leftist point, how many units do I run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So my run would be 10 again, and my rise would be 2. And again, if I was to reduce this, it would be 1 over 5, which gives me a slope of 1/5. Okay, also what's very important to notice is if I look at number 1 from left to right is going upward, so this is a positive trend, which means my slope also has to be a positive number, which is positive 1/5. Same thing with number 2 from left to right, it's going upward, it's a positive trend, it means it's got to be a positive number. If we look at number 3 is going downward, which means this is going to be a negative trend or a negative slope. And then number 4 from left to right, at the leftist point to the right point, it's going upward again. So this is also a positive slope. Alright, so what I want you guys to do right now is I want you to work on number 3 and number 4. And then after you're done with 3 and 4, you can move on to the next part.